High winds are fueling a big fire burning uncontained near the town of Meeker. Fire officials have not updated the acreage on the Elk Fire since last night. At that point, it was more than 60,000 acres. And again, if you are just joining us, a new evacuation order has been issued for Zone 63. People living in that area south of the fire have been told to leave now. We do know high winds increased fire activity yesterday and limited their ability to drop water from planes. Meanwhile, the Elk Fire is burning just to the east. Officials say crews have continued to strengthen fire lines on that one. At last check, it had burned more than 14,000 acres. More than 500 responders are in Rio Blanco County working to get a better handle on both of those fires. 9 News reporter Shalima Maharaj has a story.
North Metro Fire Rescue certainly isn't new to pitching in when times get tough. Earlier this year, they sent a crew to California to help fight the Palisades fire. And they are now doing the same with the fires burning in Rio Blanco County. North Metro Fire has a 4-person engine crew out there battling the Elk Fire. Lieutenant and Wildland Coordinator Bill Castonguay knows just what his crew is up against. He worked on the massive Pine Gulch fire 5 years ago, and he says what crews need most right now is a reprieve in the form of rain and a whole lot of it.
Yeah, I think we have a drought-stricken forest, right? We have pinyon, juniper, pine up there that basically burns like gasoline. So that's what you're seeing. You have the wind and topography, and when it aligns with what you're seeing right now, it'll burn really fast. You know, almost as fast as a car can drive is the movement that we're seeing up there.
North Metro Fire Rescue will also be sending someone to the Turner Gulch fire. Now, there is a lot of need out there right now, but it all comes down to making sure that there are enough people in the area they serve first before they can free anyone up to go elsewhere. Shalima Maharaj, 9 News.